Alright guys, here you're looking at a vampire Grillz set. This one here is the diamond cut with diamond dust finish. Beautiful dazzling set here for the vampire canine teeth. They're pointy fangs. Okay, here's the back side. Now this has the hidden back bar connecting bridge. This is real gold, guys. 14K solid gold with the stamp. It's custom fitted for a perfect fit for our customers. Now it's available on our website, Bling Cartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. You also get the free mold kit. Quick service. Check us out, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.